In this Excel basics, I will share you how to consolidate data in Excel. We have here 2023 expenses, 2022 expenses, 2024 expenses. We want to consolidate here everything together. So we can go to data where we can see consolidate. I already made something. I'm just deleting this all. I'm adding here. I need to sum all the expenses. So on the reference, click on reference. So we need 2023 and 2024 till 2022 to 24. So select this range, click add. Again 2022, select that range, click add. Again 2024, click add. Now we want the labels also. Apart from number, we need the labels also. That is January, February, March and expenses. So click on top row. We need the labels in top row and left column. Click OK. Now we can see here all the expenses of all years. It is consolidated already. So we can check it one by one whether the total is correct or not. So in that way we can consolidate different type of data together. If we want to remove this data, just click delete from here and click OK. It will be removed. I hope you understand this video.